this is Releracy of grade 6 again to interview another candidate. So, what's your name and can you give me a brief introduction about yourself?
Hi, I'm Avantika of grade 11 and a proud student of Muthamil Public School and a nominee for SPL post.
So, what is your main manifesto?
So, my main manifesto, I have many, so I'll tell some two. The first one is discipline, and the second one is cleanliness, studies, and preserving nature.
What inspires you for this post?
Yeah, the previous SPL had inspired me, the way she had done her duties and so on. So that inspired me to be an SPL.
You said that you was inspired by the previous SPL. Do you think that you will be same and do you think that you will be good as the previous SPL?
I'll try my best to do even better than the previous SPL.
How would you react if you're not selected for this post?
There's no reaction because I don't feel bad if I don't get selected as an SPL because except from SPL I have many more responsibilities. So if I be an SPL also there is no problem, and if I don't get selected also I won't worry for it as I have many other responsibilities than SPL post.
We have the voting options in online and offline. What do you think, in which mode you will get more votes?
I think that I would get more votes in online because I have not yet gone for canvas and no one knows me and my symbol. So I think that I would get maximum votes only in online.
Why didn't you go for campaign?
Actually, if you see, I'm a very nervous type of a girl and I feel very shy to go and canvas in class because if I tell anything wrong, some people will start laughing and that makes me down. So till now I have not gone, but if I put some effort, I think I would go.
Do you think that you can win without campaign?
Yes, I think I would win if I don't canvas because I would get maximum votes in online. So I think that would help me to become an SPL.
Wishing you all the best and thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm Avantika of grade 11 and my symbol is school building and I'm standing for SPL post. Please vote for me.